What is the value of the point on each of the number lines below? Welcome to this video where we'll learn how to place decimal values on a number line. So feel free to pause the video to solve the 3 questions before you continue. Okay, so I can tell you that the key concept we need to solve the questions is pattern. And what they mean by pattern, let's see the definition here. In mathematics, a pattern is a repeated arrangement of numbers, shapes, colors, and so on. The pattern can be related to any type of event or object. If the set of numbers are related to each other in a specific rule, then the rule or manner is called a pattern. So here we have different types of pattern. Okay, we have here where you have to determine the value of the question mark. Here you have to complete, the shape. Here you have to find the numbers. Same thing here. But this is not the purpose of this video, but we need this key information to solve the questions. And also, you'll see in the description of this video some links related to some videos I made for pattern, which will help you again, to be ready for any kind of a math test related to pattern. Now, let's go to the question. So problem 1, what is the value of the point on the number line below? Okay, so if you see all these numbers, we will see that we have a 2, 2.2, 2.4, 2.6, okay, the missing number, and the 3. So the pattern here is that they add 0.2 to the previous number to get the next number. Or someone can say that, oh, you know what? They increase the digit after the decimal by 2. Okay, so which is same as adding 0.2 to the previous number. And here we have the calculation. When you have a 2 is same as 2.0. Okay, so 2.0 plus 0.2 is 2.2. Now, if we take a 2.2, 2.2 plus the same as 0.2 give you what? 2.4. Or you take a 2.4 plus 0.2, 2.6. And now 2.6 plus 0.2 give you 2.8, which is the missing value here. So we're going to have 2.8. Okay. And if we continue, 2.8 plus 0.2, like I did it here, it's not going to be 2.10, but it's going to be what? 3, which is 3.0. Because we have 8 plus 2, which is 10. We write a 0, we carry 1, which is the red one here. That 1 plus 2 plus 0 is 3, which is 3.0. So 3.0 is same as a 3. Therefore, the best choice for this question is what? D. That's a dog. 2.8. Let's see the next problem. Okay, problem 2. We have 8, 8.33, 8.66, 9, the missing number, 9.66, 10. Okay, so the little bar on top of 366 is telling that that digit is repeating. So it's a repeated decimal value. Okay, so again, if you check the first two values, we have 8, we have 8.33. So it seems like they add the 0.33 to 8 to get 8.33, which is done here. So if we take 8, know that 8 is same as 8.00 to write it as a decimal with 2 digits, we have 8.00 plus 0.33 give you 8.33. Again, there is a bar, on top of the last digit. Okay, so if you take 8.33, you add the 0.33, we get 8.66, which is there with the bar on top of the last 6. Now you continue, you take 8.66, you add 0.33. This is 8.99, but they round up, to 9. So that is okay. Now the question is to find this value. So therefore, 9.00 plus 33 give you what? 9.33. So the value we are looking for is 9.33 with that bar on top of the last 3. And to check our answer, if you continue, you will see that 9.33 plus 0.33 give you what? 9.66. It is there. And if you continue, you're going to have 9.99 with a bar on top of the last 9, which they round up to 10. Okay, the last problem for this video, problem 3, this one is challenge. We have a 4 as the first number. The next number we have a 4.125. And the yes will say that, oh, okay, they add 0.125 to 4 to get 4.125. Okay, after that we have a 4.25, 4.375, 4.5, and the missing number. So if we just focus on the digit after the decimal, you'll not see clearly the pattern as the first 2 questions. The first 2 questions, the pattern, the patterns are shown after the decimal, okay? After the decimal. But here is not clear. Okay, for that, we'll rewrite all the decimal numbers here with the same number of digits after the decimal. So we see that some numbers here have 2 digits after the decimal, some 1 digit, some 3 digits, some no. Okay, so if you write all the numbers with the same number of digits after the decimal, the 4 will turn to what? 4.00. So if you add the 0.125, we get 4.125. It's clear. Now, taking 4.125, okay, if you add the same 0.125, that gives you what? 4.250. Yes, so if you do this calculation, 5 plus 5 is 10. We write a 0, we carry 1, which is this red one on top. That 1 plus 2 is 5. Okay, and the 1 plus 1, 2. 4 plus 0, 4. So the 4.250 is same as 4.25. You're going to ignore that 0 at the end of a 4.250 to get 4.25. Like they ignore the 3 zeros after the 4 here, after the dot, to get only 4. We can do the same thing for 4.250. And now if you continue, 4.250 plus 0.125 give you what? 4.375. You continue, the 4.375 plus 0.125, this will give you what? 4.500. Let's check. So 5 plus 5 is 10, which is we write 0. We carry 1, which is the first red one on top there. 1 plus 7 plus 2 is 10. We write 0, and we carry again 1, which is on top of 3. So 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 5, and the 4 plus 0, 4.500. But again, we can ignore the 2 zeros at the end to get what? 4.5. Now, if we continue, 4.500 plus 0.125, we get what? 4.625. Therefore, the missing value here is 4.625. Okay, and to check if you are right, we continue with 4.625. Okay, let's see. We add again another 0.125. We do the calculation. 5 plus 5 is 10. We write a 0. We carry 1, which is the red one on top of a 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2, 5. We write the 5. We continue 6 plus 1, 7. 4 plus 0, 4, which is this one here. Because you have to understand that we can ignore the 0. That's 0. And get what? Get 4.75. And if you continue, you get 4.875. You continue, you get 5, and so on. Thank you so much for this video, and feel free to leave any comments. I will see you in another video.